Hi guys, just at one of our latest development, getting some quotes from a builder. I thought I'd take the opportunity to walk you around the property as well, so you can see it right behind me. That's it there, it's quite a big one. It would include garage conversion as well, which we might do at a later date. Right, so walk in. No electricity, unfortunately, just like most of these. So some places might be quite dark. Right, the first bit is obviously the entrance. Now it's going to be interesting. We're going to need to possibly put a doorway here. I'll show you why shortly. So the first room should be fairly straightforward. We can hopefully take this back to the wall. Hopefully leave the fireplace. Probably just put a wardrobe in there. These are really nice doors. Unfortunately, it's going to have to go. So if anybody wants any, let me know. They're free. You're welcome to have them. As long as you put them to good use, even if it is just selling it on, and hopefully somebody else will put it to good use. Fireplaces, obviously, saying that looks nice. All right, so we're hoping to split this into two rooms with the wall there, so where the archway is, that will be turned to the wall will go up there and convert this into two rooms. So that will be the entrance to that bedroom. Therefore, this will be the entrance to this bedroom. This will be bedroom number 2. That's what it's like there. I think we've got about 11 meters square out of this. Fortunately, as nice as it is, we're going to have to remove this and change it to a big window instead. These aren't suitable glass either, so that will have to be replaced. Okay. Kitchen. Ceilings have to be redone, plasterboarded. The kitchen cabinets are really annoying because they're good quality. The condition is quite good, but they look a bit old and foggy. And I don't think that's the sort of design that prospective tenants would appreciate. So a decision we had to make about that. Maybe we can repaint it. Sink, we're just going to change. Sink. Worktops, they look a bit rubbish, so they'll have to go, which is annoying because they're actually in good condition. This part we've only got enough room for one fridge freezer, and really we want two, so that means it's going to have to go in here somewhere. And now the reason why we were putting a door at the entrance is, so this is the garage. We're hoping to get another room out of this. What's going to happen is we're going to put a partition wall here going across, so that when you walk in, basically you've got a wall going across here. We'll move the boiler. I think we're going to have to move the boiler there. Okay, so yeah, so you're going to have a partition wall here, and then you'll enter into the kitchen. Enter the kitchen this way rather than the other way from the stairs. All right. Just have a quick look around the garden. Nobody's really ever interested in the garden at HMOs, but I'll show you anyway. That's the garden. The pond thing will have to be filled up, which is annoying. I think one of the fence panels will have to be done up as well. Other than that, it's fairly low maintenance, really. The back, just change some of the pipes, but other than that, it should be okay. Even got one of those table and chair things, which is quite good. Hopefully tenants will make use of it. Okay. Right, upstairs. Right, now walls, I think we're going to leave that as they are, just repaint them instead. First room, well, third room, fourth room. Take that out, repaint the walls, change the wallpaper, change, well, new carpets throughout, fireworks or fire alarm, fire doors. It's another decent sized room. I think this will be the smallest room. Again, take away the wallpaper, repaint everything, fireworks, and also carpet. So annoyingly, this is the main bathroom. Really big bathroom. It feels like it's kind of gone to waste. Around there. But I guess it is a house for 6 people, so maybe having a big bathroom would be helpful. This is one of the bedrooms originally. We're just going to turn this to the second bathroom. It's next to the other bathroom, so the plumbing should be quite good, quite easy anyway. I don't know why they put this room in, because it's actually a partition. So what we're going to do is knock that through and increase, well, restore this room to its original size. So basically knock that through and have a really big room in here. Ideally, would like we'd want 3 to 4 en-suites in this property. But well, we're going to see what the figures are like. But as it stands, it's going to be 5 rooms and 2 shared bathrooms. Hopefully, we can just go for the 4-5 ensuite. Sorry, the 3-4 ensuite option instead. But going to see what the costs are. Because I don't think the rent would justify. Although the rooms are quite big. But yeah, so we should complete on this in about 2 weeks. Get some quotes in now and then hit the road running. That's weird wallpaper. Cool. So really, this is just to let you guys know what's going on, and also to kind of catalogue this development, so that in the future we can look back and think, oh, that was rubbish. Not really. All right, talk soon. Bye.